Now we're gonna put it in the freezer or
Fridge.
I'm trying to say, but now we're gonna put it in the freezer or a fridge. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm making Mickey Mouse Oreo cookies. What you'll need are your Oreos.
He said.
The big one for the body and the small one for the ear. And the candy melts. And your color of choice candy melts. Today I'm using blue candy melts, sprinkles for his buttons. I have a round one. Mommy forgot it was anywhere in the baking section. And tray with a parchment paper so you can lay your cookies down. Let me move it just for a little bit. Today I'm using Lovelyn candy melt pot to melt my candy melt and keep it warm. And you won't touch it because it's very hot.
No?
You're going to dip in the oil halfway of the cookie. Now I'm going to dip it in and my mommy will help me. You can do it.
Just help me.
You can ask your mommy to help do this. So be careful, don't do it by yourself. Ask a dot or your mommy do this. Now you put it in the tray and then let it cool down. While this is cooling down, I will put his buttons. But now we're gonna put it in the freezer or a fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes until it will cool down. I said the wrong words when I was eating the sprinkles. It will look like these when it's cool down. And we're gonna put it in his ears. Woo! 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 It's moving! It should look like this. You have to dip a tiny bit of candy melt, the black one. Stick it on the side slowly. You can eat the white part because it's so delicious. Now the ears are all together in the white part. Now we're gonna put them in the fridge just for a couple of minutes. Now my Oreo and Mickey Mouse cookies are done. We can ready to eat it. Now we can eat it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. See you next time. Bye.